On I'll be showing you guys how to remove the SIM card and the battery from the new Alcatel Linkzone 2 Hotspot. So here we have the hotspot itself. This is pretty much used to give internet to any other devices. This blue box right here is the battery that you find inside of the box. And here we have a SIM card. So I'll be showing you guys how to put all of these inside of the device. Now, in order to gain access to where the battery goes, you'll see the little slit in a design, and you'll want to peel that off. And when you peel that off, it will just come apart, and from there you'll be able to see where you place the SIM card and the battery. The SIM card will go right here under this little silver plate, which I'll show you guys right there. So all you have to do is just slide the SIM card into position with the cut facing inwards, which you'll also see the image right there. Now once that's inserted, you just take that battery and you match the gold prongs to the gold prongs that are already built into the device. You place the cover back on this hotspot, and there you have it. Your hotspot is ready to be used. There's the power button right there. So once you hold the power button, you'll notice that the front of it, there are lights that light up blue. So that lets you know that the device is powering up. There you have it. I'll peel this off so you guys can see it a little better. But there you have it. Everything's lighting up blue. That means your device is powered up and ready to go. Of course, you do need a data plan from a carrier in order for this to work. And there you have the micro USB charging port, and this is the port that you use to connect it to your computer if you want to do a wired connection. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and share.